Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make Twitter account private. So first of all, we need to open up the Twitter application on your Android and iOS device, and then you need to tap on your profile image at the top left here, and then you will not go into your profile, but you will scroll down and you will tap on settings and support, and then settings and privacy, and then you will open up privacy and security. Okay, and then you will just open up the audience and tagging page here. So here you can see that we have this option where it says protect your tweets. Only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets. So you will just enable this, and now people who don't follow you on Twitter will not be able to see your tweets. Okay, and then you will come back, and then you will tap on your tweets as well. Make mark media you tweet as containing material may be sensitive, or then you can basically, yes, you can do this as well. Allow message request from everyone. Let people who you don't follow send you message request and add you to the group conversations to reply to their messages. So you, it's basically up to you if you want to turn this on or off, but the main option is this one. Okay, you just need to enable this, protect your tweets. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.